Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. Today let's learn about army. The main duty of an army is to defend the empire from the attacks of enemy and also to maintain law and order in a country or in a kingdom. So that is the main duty of the army. So let's learn about the army of the Maurya. So the Mauryas had a large standing army which included infantry. Infantry means the branch of an army composed of soldiers trained to fight on a foot. So the particular army will be fighting on their food. So they will be just standing in their food and they will be fighting for the country. Then cavalry. Cavalry is soldiers who fight on horseback. So the soldiers who used to sit on the horse and they used to fight or they used to involve in war to protect their kingdom from the attacks of enemy. So and elephants, chariots and a navy. So all these things different kinds or different types of army which was there in Mauryan Empire to protect themselves from the attacks of enemy. A separate department looked after the production of weapons. So, in order to make the weapons, the separate group was there. The Senapati was the head of the army, though the king himself led the troops in wars. Even though the king himself used to lead the war, but the head of the army is the Senapati. Okay, Senapati is the head of the army. Then the army was equipped with weapons such as bows, arrows, swords, armors, and shields. So these are the tools which is or tools or the weapons used by the army in their war. The army defended the empire from the enemy attacks and also maintained law and order. So the main duty of the army is to defend or to protect themselves from the attacks of enemy. And also another duty was to maintain law and order in their empire. The officers and soldiers were well trained and regularly paid, and the officers as well as the soldiers were well trained. They used to get the training and also used to get the money for their contribution, for their participation in the war. Next, let's learn about spy system. The spy system. The Mauryan rulers maintained an efficient spy system. Spies, many of whom were women, were posted in different parts of the country. They informed the king about the developments both within and outside the kingdom. So, the Mauryan rulers used to have the spy system. So, they used to appoint different people and they used to be women and they used to inform the ruler inform the king about the things that is going within the country as well as the outside the country. Some people used to move or used to gather together in order to have an attack, in order to defeat that particular kingdom. So those planning will be knowing by these spies, and they used to say all these things to the king. So that's why they are known as spies. So that is a spy system. Today we learned about the army of a Mauryan Empire and also the spy system. I hope you understand this particular topic. All of you, please go through your textbook and learn more. This is for today. Bye bye.